falling snow resulting in times of blizzard conditions. Snow accumulations, 12 to 16 inches. Timing, snow is expected to overspread the area between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. The snow may mix with sleet for a time on Saturday, then back to all snow towards Saturday evening, before tapering off early Sunday morning. The strongest winds and greatest potential for blizzard conditions will be during the day Saturday. Winds, northeast 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Temperatures, in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Impacts, the combination of heavy snowfall and strong winds will produce whiteout conditions and extremely dangerous travel. Shoveling of heavy wet snow will be problematic for those with physical ailments. Snow will cling to wires and trees, which could cause numerous power outages. Roads will become impassable, especially due to increasing snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour at times in heavier bands. The snow looks to come in early enough to impact the late afternoon and even the commute in the Delmarva and far southern New Jersey. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel unless absolutely necessary. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Snowfall accumulation forecast maps in addition to experimental probabilistic snowfall information for the League Taste event are available online at www.weather.gov/fi/winter. This is normal weather radio, all hazards result.
Alrighty.
All the federal offices shut down at noon. DC offices.
That's a blizzard warning.
Schools are closed. So,
Let's see what's going on here on the radar. Jeez, I'm busy.
and there will be very little activity out here around the Capitol.
It's 3:30 p.m. January 22nd, 2016. This is going to be a storm for the ages. Big band starting to move up from the south now. This is going to be very heavy snow, 2 to 4 inches an hour, and some thunder snow possible with this during the height of the storm tomorrow. This is going to be a crazy storm. Just wow.